Worrying about making ice at home is just not worth it when there are so many great options out there. You can find a really reliable solution that's easy to use, which will keep your drinks cold for hours without taking up any space in your freezer or using up all your kitchen counter space. In today's video, we're going to go over all the features of these top-rated ice makers and see if any are worthy enough for your home or office. Here are the top picks for best portable ice makers. Number 1. LITBOOS Portable Ice Maker. If you want a portable ice maker that looks good and makes great cubes, this model is one of the best. This sleek and modern-looking portable ice maker is perfect for any kitchen setting. It can make 9 ice bullets in just 7 to 9 minutes, so you're guaranteed a cold drink at your next party or event with friends, no matter when they come over. Number 2. Luma IM200SS Comfort Portable Ice Maker. Luma has created an innovative way to make clear ice cubes using nature's own freezing process. It starts by continuously flowing water in a supercooled tray until it becomes frozen, leaving no room for impurities and creating clear cubes. It is more sustainable than traditional methods while being very efficient. Number 3. Igloo Ice B26HNWHN Portable Ice Maker. This portable ice maker can make 9 small or large cubes of fresh cold drinks in just 7 minutes with its 2-quart capacity. It's got an easy-to-use smart control panel that alerts you when it's time for a refill, and there are no worries about running out because this machine will keep producing them until they're gone. Cleaning is easy with a 5-cycle cleaning function. Number 4. Frigidaire EFIC 100 8 Silver Portable Ice Maker. The Frigidaire Portable Ice Maker is great for parties or everyday use. You can be sure that you'll have enough cold drinks with this machine because it makes 9 cubes every 7 to 15 minutes. You can see how the process goes with its clear window. Number 5. Igloo Ice B26WH Portable Electric Ice Maker. Here is the perfect way to stay cool without running out of ice. This portable ice maker will never let you worry about finding a bag of ice on your next camping trip. Not only does it make 9 pieces in just 7 minutes, but with its 3-quart capacity, it will make you enjoy drinks you love anytime. It also has a clear lid that allows for easy monitoring of the production process. Number 6. Euhomy Portable Ice Cube Maker. With the help of this machine, you will be able to enjoy 24 high-quality ice cubes in just minutes. You can choose your desired thickness, and it also reminds you when the current cycle ends so that there is no need to worry about water wastage. In addition to all these features, this device has a recycle function that turns melted ice into new cold ones. Number 7. NewAir AI 215SS Portable Ice Maker. This portable ice maker offers 12 pieces of ice cubes in 7 minutes and can be filled beforehand. Set the timer so you'll never run out of ice again. It doesn't take much space, but you'll be able to produce tons of ice for your guests in no time. The powerful motor inside does all the work, so it's easy and fun. Number 8. NOVETE Portable Ice Maker Machine. This machine can produce 9 ice pieces every 6 minutes. It's energy efficient, using only 1 kilowatt per hour of electricity with quick production time. The sleek and stylish design of this portable ice maker means you can place or take it anywhere, even on the go. With its modern look that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing, we're sure no one will be able to resist drinking their favorite drink from such an amazing machine. Number 9. NewAir Portable Ice Maker. This compact ice maker will churn out 9 different size and shape bullets in 15 minutes. The interior is insulated to keep your drinks cool for hours, so you don't have to worry about refilling more often. Disposing of the residual water is easy by just plugging the drain at the back, no hassle whatsoever. Number 10. Magic Chef Portable Ice Maker. The Magic Chef Portable Ice Maker is a great investment for your household. You no longer need to go out and buy bags of ice. This machine makes 9 small pieces in just 7 minutes, so it's never too much hassle looking for ice cubes when guests come over. Things to consider before buying a portable ice maker. The best portable ice makers will make your beverages cold, pure, and refreshing. But how do you know which one is right for you? Check out these factors. Production speed. Portable ice makers are a great way to have cool drinks on hand for any event. While there is no perfect portable machine, some models offer more speed than others and can make a number of ice cubes in just minutes. Before making your purchase decision, consider what you need the product for fast or slower production. Size. The best way to get an ice maker is by considering how big of a space you need it in. If this will be your only source for making iced drinks, buy one that can provide enough cubes at once and has extra storage capacity like refill bags or baskets as well. Mesh filter. You can't go wrong with a mesh filter for your portable ice maker. It produces clear and tasty ice without buildup, which means you won't have to waste time cleaning out the machine or replacing its components every few months because they were clogged by mineral buildup from dirty water. Timer function. There are many different models of portable ice makers out there, but make sure you get one with a timer. This will help ensure that your machine is ready when needed in the kitchen. Noise level. Portable ice makers are noisy and can be very annoying. If you have sensitive ears, opt for models that produce less noise, not bothering anyone else when using them. Ice shape. There are many different ice shapes, including a bullet-shaped one that melts fast and square, or rectangular-shaped and melts slower. Ice is an essential part of any cold drink. Now that we spend most of our time indoors, it would be convenient to have everything you need at home, including ice for your next party. There you have it, our top picks for the best portable ice makers. We hope we were able to help you decide which portable ice maker is the best option for you. If yes, then smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on our next uploads.